Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is an indoor plant which is known as spider plant. This is a very low maintenance plant and can be easily propagated. If you have a spider plant runner or a baby plant of your spider plant, then you can easily plant new plants. Just separate it and plant it in sandy or loamy soil. And within 7 to 10 days, its roots will start growing. If you wish, you can also grow this plant in water. When its roots start growing, you can plant it in a larger pot. That's all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.